This is our dog Chips. She's a 12-year-old lab that loves to swim. She's a lab, so of course she loves to retrieve toys as well, even underwater. There's a toy down under there, and she's searching for it. She'll come out, she'll look for it, she'll just keep on looking for it. She'll try, but she's got too much air in her chest. She'll dive under and pop right back up. She'll try to get a little bit more momentum and dive. There's the toy. She didn't get it that time. She'll try again. Almost. She'll just keep trying and trying. But she's a smart dog too, so she learns. So she gets out of the pool and she dives nose first with momentum and a little push from her feet. She gets it. Oh, she's so proud of herself. Isn't that cool? Happy dog. Smiling. Okay, now because it's so cool, we gotta watch it in slow motion. Nose first. She looks, she finds a toy, and in she goes. Eyes wide open, mouth wide open, and then pushes off the bottom to get back up. That's our dog.